Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can create presentation in WPS Office application. For that you have to download WPS Office application from Play Store. Open Play Store and in search bar type WPS Office. You can see WPS Office application. Download this application and then open it. See, here you can see your documents if you have created any, and then if you want to create new document, click on the plus icon in round shape which is at right side. You can create new document, presentation, spreadsheet, PDF, memo, and you can also scan your pages here. I will click on the presentation. Here you can see different templates for creating presentation. You need to click on the blank presentation so that you can create your presentation from scratch. Now here you can see at bottom there is a miniature version of your slides, or you can say thumbnails. After it there is menu bar. You can see different menus here: insert, file, play, transition, design, pen. You can insert new slide from here. You can insert picture, text box and shape from here. Now first of all there is title slide. Double tap to add title, so you need to double tap on it so that you can add your title. I will create presentation on input and output device. After it, double tap to add subtitle. I will write my name here. After completing my first slide, I will select new slide from clicking on the plus icon beside my first slide. Here you can see different layouts for creating a new slide. I will select the layout to content, to column content. I will write name of input and output device here. At left side I will write name of input device. Which are keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick and touchpad. At right side I will write name of output device. Which are monitor, printer, projector, speaker and plotter. After writing name of input and output device, I will change color and apply bold effect. First at left side I will apply text color and bold effect to name input device. For that I will select input device. Double tap on word so it will automatically selected. Now you just need to select the whole word. You can apply bold effect directly by clicking on the capital B and then you can apply text color by clicking on the capital A with bold underline. See, you can see different text color here. You can select anyone from here. Now same for output device. Select the name output device, apply bold effect and then apply color. After writing name of input and output device, I will select new slide and write definition of input device. Click on the plus icon and I will select this time title and content layout. Write input device. Now I will change alignment of input device. For this, I will select the name input device. After selecting it, click on the menu bar. In home menu, you can see size of input device. You can apply bold effect and you can see the alignment here. I will change it from left to center. Now I will write definition of input device. The device which are used to enter data into computer are known as input device. Example are keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. After writing definition of input device, I will write definition of output device. Click on the plus icon, select the layout, title and content, write name output device. Select the name output device, change alignment from left to center and apply bold effect. And now double tap and write the definition of output device, which is the device which are used to show output from computer are known as output device. Example are monitor, printer, speaker, etc. So I have created total 4 slides. I will jump to the first slide. Now I will show you how you can apply transition effect to your presentation. For that, select the first slide, go to menu bar and select the menu transition. Here you can see different transition effect. Just click on any effect and you can see the preview of that effect. Wipe, split, reveal, random bars. Here there are multiple effects here. I will select any one from here. And then at the top you can see apply to all slides. Click on it. So your effect will be applied to the all slides. Now see the change. You can see the star icon on the thumbnail of your slide. See. When you select the slide, the star icon change its color to orange. Now I will show you how you can apply background color. Select your first slide. Now go to design menu. You can apply background image, otherwise you can apply background color. See, select any color from here and then click on the button apply to all slide. If you want to clear current background, then click on the button clear current background. Apply to all slide. See, background color is applied. Now after doing it, save your presentation. You can directly save your presentation by clicking on the save button which is at top. Otherwise, click on menu bar, click on file menu and click on save. Input and output device. By default, it save in WPS Cloud. If you want to save it in your phone memory, just click on the arrow and select the location. And then click on save button. Now click on menu bar, click on play icon and click on the first page. You can also record video of this presentation. Thank you everyone for watching my video. You can like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos.